This is good old EJ back at you. Today I'm with Big Mike video recording me at Dry Creek Park in Clovis, and I'm getting ready to try out the drone that Nikki bought me for Christmas. I did try it one time at the park that's way down the street, but you know, I had to hold the camera while I was trying to fly the drone at the same time. But now that you're here, Mike, I can actually do this and freely, and you're holding the camera this time. So here we go. It's been a minute. I only used this one time, so. Hopefully it didn't shut off. There we go. Give me 1 second.
You're missing a propeller, I think. Oh, no, you got all four. No, you got them.
I don't know, it's so much grass here.
Right there where it's flat.
Yeah.
That'd be your best spot.
All right, here we go. I'm not that really good with drones. Like I said, I only use this one other time. There we go. Out here,
and it's kind of light. Yeah.
But I'm gonna try again. I don't know if I'm trying to stay away from the trees though. I kind of got nervous that we wanted to go.
And stay still, man. I ain't even getting nothing.
I'm trying, Mike. It's the wind. I kid you not, it's the wind. It was easier to control when I first tried it a couple of months ago. See, that's the wind. I do not want to get this. That would take it higher.
Yeah. Yeah. You'd be better off with a different cameraman because I really can't see it. I should be zooming in better.
What's your opinion of it, Mike?
Looks boring.
It looks boring, huh?
Yeah.
I tell you what, it's better than that drone that I got from Radio Shack a couple of years ago. And it handles better, except for the wind today. I gotta keep it low as possible because there are a lot of trees, and I do not want this getting stuck in the tree because it gets stuck in the tree, it's gone. I won't be able to get it. How's that for a close up?
Yeah. Real close now.
Sorry about
Too
that.
close.
So Mike, drones are not a hobby you would get into, huh?
No.
It's not your cup of tea.
No.
Hell no, huh? I have to admit, these are actually funner than playing with RC cars. Only thing you don't have to worry about RC cars is them getting stuck in trees.
Yeah. Then I don't work either one of the controllers. The ones like yours are better with RC cars than the ones with the gun.
You don't like the gun controller?
And the knob? No, not really. I had like a red monster truck when I was a kid, a child, and it was really, really fast and bulky and had that big battery. But it was too fast, you know?
It was just too much, huh?
Yeah, but it was a monster truck, so it was made to get banged against the sidewalks.
Get away from the trees. Again, that was the wind blowing it. Get it away from the trees. Come on, come on, come on. I'm telling you, these newer ones are just a breeze to control. Like I said, that first one I got from Radio Shack, and it was a pain in the ass to try to control. It just they kept cutting off in mid-flight and everything. It might have been defective.
Possibly.
Yeah.
You done yet?
Bring it back. I feel the wind again. Just come on over. We'll do one more run. One more run with it. Get away from the trees. dog either.
Can we stop the video and Herbert take the pictures and go?
Say it again, Mike.
Can we stop the video, take the pictures and go? It's still shots.
1 second. But anyway, Big Mike is on a time crunch, and so am I. I want to get home and eat my food that I got.
And he's also just bored of watching you play with a toy.
This is this is an adult toy, not a
Yeah.
kid's toy.
You and James and
Mike
and Cosm can have a field day playing with your toys.
Mike, you don't buy stuff like this for kids. These are grown man toys. You hear?
Okay, but you admit they're toys.
Grown man toys.
Grown man toys, but they're toys.
This is good old EJ, and along with Big Mike.
And a toy.
And the drone.
A drone toy.
At the
a toy drone.
At the Dry Creek Park in Clovis, and signing off.
I know.